Alright. Got a new furnace install. Just finished it up. Luckily I actually didn't have to do too much sheet metal work. Had the original Buffalo boot on the cold air here. So I was able to just connect that right back in. Still use the original condensation pump. Still good. Has an AC condenser. It's never been hooked up, but it's there, so I reused it just in case. It's still brand new. This is where I had to pan in to the old. So we got some nice angles going on there. Come around this side. Pretty straightforward install. Had to do a little bit of gas work, not much. Gas line comes down right there. Basically just had to shorten up this 3/4, reduce down to half, run into the furnace. Didn't even have to run new electrical wire, use the old BX cable, as it was still in good condition. Got to get a switch cover for that. Ran the intake and exhaust, 2-inch PVC, schedule 40. Back here, this is the intake, runs right over there, and the exhaust right over there. I always use double 45s for all my 90s. I never use a 90. Gives it a nice sweeping angle. Less restriction, more flow. So yeah, nice new furnace.